Just a little sound test on the Blue Wing Ukuleles number 3 with the Aquila Bblacks. What else can we do here? Oh, yeah, just listen to the, it just rings. I liked it. I like this ukulele with the Martin M600 strings. It sounded good, but it sounds amazing with these Aquila Bblacks. Guess this video was long enough. I really do appreciate you watching. Tune back in for some more Blue Wing ukuleles, as well as others. There is a whole, I don't know what you would call a whole bunch of ukuleles, but there's a whole bunch of ukuleles on the way to me right now. All right, I'm going to be introducing more ukuleles, sharing my thoughts on them, and I'm going to try to do a full write-up on each ukulele. Just kind of, introducing it, my thoughts and things, measurements, stuff like that, weights. I like to weigh all my ukuleles. I don't know why, I'm just real big on the weights. I get an ukulele, I immediately, first thing I do, weigh it. But anyways, tune back in and we'll be checking out some more ooks. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.